Nick.
Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh no.
Nick, I had to.
Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me!
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie? Ah! Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks. Uh-oh. What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
Leave me alone! Get away! Help!
don't have this one yet.
Let's go hang out after school. I fucked up my math test! I need help!
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him.
Ready? Go!
I've got shit. Fuck! I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Stay back! Get off!
Whoa, that was close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick, we need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
There it is, there it is! God, I love shopping. Click, click. I found something. Well,
It's not my day.
You're late, Juliet.
Oh, great. Those jerks trapped us in here.
How lame.
okay!
Loving it!
Unstoppable! Thanks a lot.
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair.
Dying hurts so bad.
No!
Soda makes your bones weak.
Oh man, their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode. Fun!
How was that fun?
Yum!
Ah! Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Whoa! Oh, watch out!
Look what those jerks did to our school!
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework. Jump!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
I got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
That's the dude who stranded us. Yeah, he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Or we could.
Juliet, I am so totally gonna masturbate to you tonight.
You're already dead.
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Osekoi, watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay. There's something else written. It says zombie basketball, time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam!
So delicious.
What? The game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing them zombies. How many points can you rack up? Zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Where's that voice coming from?
out of here!
Time to shop. Click, click. I found something. Well,
Rock and roll! Don't be late.
Kill him before he blows up! Yeah, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog.
oh, dead frogs. Gross.
That's gross. This day is completely unexpected.
Ooh, I don't have this one yet.
Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nick, you feel it? You feel it? You're gonna kill them.
It's dangerous around here. Dangerous. Pushing power.
Hey, it's Dead Starsky and Hutch.
You guys have no respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up. Now I hate you more than Carrot Top.
Done and done.
Eat it up. again with the door. It's irritating!
God, I love shopping.
Click, click!
Click, click. I found something. Check this out.
That killing zombies gives me total wood.
That's a weird thing to say.
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please. Hey, Rasai! Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Ah, correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world, and the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes, Sensei.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. It's party time, motherfuckers!
It's a party!
Happy birthday, Juliet! Time to party!
was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't blame me, fire.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook. You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake.
Happy birthday.
Keep the fire zombies away from that dumb cake. Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Ready? Go!
Oh man, this Major League sucks.
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy! He went to school with us!
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey, leave her alone. Wait till I get my hands on you, dude.
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may your ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Kelly, Swash, Lingori, Yellum, Tawal, Ellie, Moriforum, Totum, Cav, Bingham, Kelly, Swash.
No!
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school. and everyone in it.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
That smell is a zombie hunting.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play!
Piss off!
Oh, hell!
Rock Zombie's dead! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze! Yeah!
Wow, what happened here?
I'm gonna wipe your brains out! Literally!
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh, love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not important now, Nick. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you. A lot.
I think you can do better. Shit! Look out!
I'll restrict my control of your intestines!
His voice is mega irritating.
It's a party! Cool!
He made a stage from all the cars at San Romero.
Oh my god, total waste of a Volvo.
Welcome to the big show!
Fuck! What a douchebag! Quit destroying shit for no reason!
My head's gonna explode!
Get out of my way!
Time to get hardcore! You zombie hunting slut!
Ah! Juliet, you're kinda hot when you kick ass.
only took him 3 hours to spike his mohawk this morning.
Your ass is mine! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah! Woo!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
What dude pierces his belly button? Seriously. Hit his ass hard! Time to give this dude a man pond for his mangina. Wait, is that glitter makeup? Nice leather vest. I mean, seriously, it's actually kind of nice. Almost there. Yes! That's what I'm talking about.
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little. Yeah!
Fuck! Speakers! Punks are dead, dude. Get real. It's totally not punk to be so good at gymnastics. Destroy the speakers! Shit! Speakers! It's totally not punk to be so good at gymnastics. Fuck! Speakers! Nice leather vest. Julia, let's fuck up that speaker. glitter makeup?
Oh, that one actually hurt a little, bitch!
Wait, is that glitter makeup? He's trying to kill us? He's trying to kill us? You wear all that makeup to hide your indistinct chin. He's trying to kill us? He's trying to kill us? Hot Topic sales reject. This guy's fast. He's trying to kill us?
Let yourself shine. Let yourself shine.
He's trying to kill us? Time to give this dude a man pond for his mangina. Oh, this sucks. If my package was that small, I'd never wear pants that tight. It's totally not punk to be so good at gymnastics. Oh, this sucks. Fucking giant letter bullshit.
Not true! I'm not done screaming yet! This really hurts, man!
Jeez, so emo.
Juliet! You did it!
Mr. Morikawa.
Sensei!
You managed to purify one of the dark purveyors.
Yes.
Look at this. Zed was only the weakest of the dark purveyors. But the other four are here, rotting the school. By now, they've probably transformed all your fellow students into undead. The school is probably filled with zombies.
Sensei!
Mr. Morikawa.
Juliet and Nick, I have faith you can stop them. All humans must die, as I must now too.
Sensei, no! Don't leave!
Oh, I have this for you, Juliet. Happy birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite pupil.
Sensei!
Oh my gosh! Thanks, Sensei! Chainsaw Dash!
Now that's a sweet ride.
Well,
Excellent.